All right, I'm at Lowe's here, gonna run in, gotta pick up a few things for Tom. We got a project off of Thumbtack that got a bit of a deadline for here. We gotta get done pretty quickly, but let me run in here. All right, got these as well. Let's roll out of here. We'll catch you back at the shop. Rolling up on the shop. Alright, we're back here at Lowe's picking up some more plywood for that Thumbtack project. Had a bit of a misunderstanding with that.
Well, and then they went and changed it afterwards. I didn't tell you that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he texted me like yesterday morning about 10 o'clock, and I wanted to change the 30-inch cabinet to two 18-inch cabinets. And then he took a day to pay the bill, so.
Yeah. So, we got the quantity wrong that they wanted originally, but
he should have got that on the invoice.
Yeah.
It was invoiced for a quantity of one of each.
Yeah, they
supposed to be two of each.
should have got caught along the way, but it didn't. Anyway, we're running in here to get more plywood for it to finish the project. Let's head in there. This stuff here?
Yeah.
What are we looking for? It's just no notch, pretty much.
Well, it should be just pretty straight.
Okay. Is that a technical term? It's a bit bowed. How many? Oh. Do what?
Check that out.
I am filming right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. That one. I think that one had some. It's got some pretty bad gouges in it.
Well, we can't have that. Six.
Yep. That's 5 there. This one good?
Yeah.
Nine. Looks like we'll be running to Home Depot. Only had 2 sheets left of the plywood that we needed. We need how many?
4. If my math is correct. I don't know. I left my my notes on that on the break room table at work last night.
Yeah. Well.
It should be 4 because 2 sheets will make the sides for all 3 cabinets. Times 6 is 1.5 times 6 is
108.
108.
Yeah.
Times 24 is 72.
Yeah.
72 plus 18 is 90. So yeah. So we'll get that last one out of the piece for the.
Quit playing.
Well, we're now at the orange guys.
Yep. Just down the road from Lowe's, so not a big inconvenience.
Same price as Lowe's. But I wasn't impressed with the quality.
Yeah. Got Tom's friends over there. That's got it there.
Friday, right?
Yeah.
And I'm trying to get home. And plywood's going down. And my cart was tilted too. Kind of scary.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, it didn't have the middle set of wheels. So all it had was steer wheels on both ends.
Yeah.
So the cart kept going all over the place.
That's a wrap on Home Depot.
Yeah, like 4 years later.
Yeah. Stood in the checkout line forever. Only end up going to a different one. Here we got a bunch of these panels out here that I got sprayed. They're shelves for that cabinet job from Thumbtack that I told you guys about that we've been working on. Well, mostly Tom, but I've been helping out.
Okay, so we were out here wrapping up this Thumbtack project, these cabinets. Long story short, customer didn't double check the invoice and I missed it on the customer's end when they called, but they were wanting 2 of each size of cabinet. So I was gonna do that second set, and they ended up changing the larger cabinet to 2 smaller cabinets, so we've got 3 total. Probably only get 1 filmed because of the fact that we're running out of daylight, but I'll get that time lapse going while I do that.